So we are in the Badlands today. We're doing the door trail right now. It is pretty freaking amazing.
We did a notch trail, we did door trail, we're doing window trail. Where are you going?
Yes.
Hey man, don't leave me.
Oh wait, where's the other thing? Oh, there it is.
I'm gonna tell you.
If I see a rattlesnake, I'm gonna kill you. So we are doing the door trail right now. It's actually pretty cool. You can see all of us around me. Oh, there's Mark. Who knew it was 94 in South Dakota though? Oh my.
Look at me, Mom. Look at me, Mom.
So this reminds me, okay, this side of South Dakota reminds me a little bit of Utah. It's kind of Utah-ish, but I'm absolutely loving South Dakota. Look, see these poles? So they have those marked. So it's like a scavenger hunt when you come up around the corner looking for the next pole. So I think around number 8. I still don't see it though. And Mark's gotten us lost twice today already, so going up the wrong trail. I didn't say anything. Oh, there it is.
Look at me, Mom.
Oh my God.
I don't know if they have it or not, but you can hide some Easter eggs out here. This would be a cool Easter egg hunt.
So it's like a scavenger.
Some kids would never come back. There's a rock there. Okay, we have gone 10 feet now. And we're on to the next 10 feet. So by this rate, we'll be back. See, it's 12:39 p.m. By this rate of travel, we will make it back to the parking lot in approximately 3 hours, 15 minutes. gotta keep your hand on your hat at all times because it's just, wow. Pretty sure Amy's waiting for me. So. Oh, here's not the way to go down. Really, I gotta find the trail again because all the excitement. Whoa. This place is so cool. Epic. The reason we're not going further along the pass is because we did it yesterday. It's that door trail, window trail, and notch trail all hook up to the saddle trail here for a 5-mile stretch if you want 5 miles of this. We did it in patches. So we still did it, still cool. Badlands. We're beginning the descent down. There's a lot of gravel on this trail, so we have to, even though it looks easy, just be careful going down, right?
Yep.
So, going first. So if Amy slides, she slides into me. That stops her, and then I go tumbling down the mountain. I shake it off. I come back up the mountain, and we start again.
Go.
Okay, here we go. She puts a hand on the shoulder. This is the tape. We need to call this something. This is the descent, mountainous descent. The Tate's Travel Mountainous Descent. We have patented this particular maneuver. You have to be very experienced like us to perform this.
Yeah.
This isn't just something that you can just come up here in the Badlands and expect to do. Okay. This takes years of perfection. This takes years of perfection to get to this point where we're at. And to give you some idea what we're up against, here's the trail. Here's my feet. Here's the rock. See all that gravel? One wrong move and whoa!
Stop.
We're downhill. Oh, slow. We're taking baby steps like this. And what you want to do is pan out your feet like this. Like a duck. Like quack. And then you don't slide. When you get to this gravel, you want to position your foot over here and over here. I'm just kidding. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's go. We can go this way or we can fall down that way. Either way, we're going down. Under the big top. We're at the right place.
Yeah. You don't see it? It's a big old corn house.
What's made out of corn? All that stuff?
Yeah.
Oh.
The whole thing.
Not the whole building.
Oh.
Okay. There's like, I don't think it's open. USA under the big top. We are at the famous Corn Palace in Mitchell, South Dakota. Don't ask me where Mitchell, South Dakota is. Look it up on a map. I got all kinds of ears of corn. It's kind of corny. Me and Amy are about to smoke on our corn pipes. Look at me, Mom.
You're such a dork.
Look at me, Mom. Look at me, Mike, Pam, Anthony, Bradley, Brooke, Ethan, Charlie O.
Mom too.
Mom number 2.
I think the heat.
Papa.
I think the heat is getting to him.
But most of all, look at me, Mom.
It's only 94.
Whoa, whoa.